the first time that we have Goop in the FabFitFun boxes, so really excited about that as well.
Yes, I will do anything that Gwyneth says.
No, that's exactly right. Yeah. Amazing. Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 1 in the FabFitFun Winter Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Katie, I'm the co-founder and editor-in-chief at FabFitFun, and today I'm joined by Teagan, our senior beauty buyer. We're deep diving into all of the products you can choose from in this customization. If you're not a member yet, we'll have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get to it.
Amazing.
Okay, first up, we have the In the Roundhouse Coupe glasses. It is a set of 2. This set comes in this beautiful green soda lime glass, full of vintage charm. Just a great way to upgrade all of your tablescapes and home decor over the holidays. They are dishwasher safe, but we do recommend hand washing.
Yeah, absolutely perfect for holiday entertaining. Honestly, I might put a water in this when I'm working from home. I just love the glam.
Just make it a little fancier.
Exactly.
And it makes it a great gift. You can pair it with your favorite bottle of wine and you are good to go.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Cheers.
Cheers.
Next, we have absolutely gorgeous, our Hythe bubble blanket in navy or cream.
Love.
Love. Very luxurious. It is plush and it has this subtle bubble texture, which just really elevates it. It's very chic.
It has a little bit of luxury, a little bit of elegance. You can throw it at the end of your bed, on your couch. There's tons of girls who are in the office who are wearing them all the time because it is freezing in HQ.
And we know that our members love blankets, especially around the holidays.
And so you can never have too many.
No, a great way to elevate your assortment.
100%. Next up, we have a FabFitFun member favorite. This is the TULA Skincare 24/7 Ultra Hydration. TULA is a FabFitFun cult favorite, and this multitasking serum contains hyaluronic acid, squalene, and collagen for 24 hours of pure hydration and instant plumping.
I absolutely love this. There are tiny squalane infused pearls that burst on contact with your skin, but it's light enough for morning and night, which is great because you're getting that moisture, but you're not being weighed down. And that's because it's infused with probiotics, collagen, and antioxidants. So you're getting that immediate effect in moisture, but also those long-term benefits.
Great, and it's also, of course, derm-founded, female-founded, BIPOC founded, all the things we love about TULA. Next up, we have In the Roundhouse baking dish. How cute is this?
So cute.
I'm obsessed with the vibrant red color and this like beautiful, whimsical little bow design.
This is great because it's oven to table, so it's functional. You can bake directly in this, serve it, and you have that Insta-worthy tablescape ready to go.
And I mean, it feels so perfect for the holidays. I mean, Thanksgiving, Christmas, you name it, just a perfect little centerpiece, and again, makes a great gift.
Yeah, absolutely. Next, very excited about this. We have the Future Society Floating Forest Eau de Parfum. So this scent, very cool story, is inspired by the extinct Shiraya cuspidata tree of Borneo. It's scientifically reconstructed to smell like that tree and like you're walking through a forest. And the cap is absolutely stunning.
What I love about this scent, it just feels really clean. It almost feels like sort of what the day smells like after a beautiful rain when you're walking outside. It's lovely.
Yeah, it's very layered also. So it opens with like bergamot and black pepper, which don't be scared, it's not too spicy.
Not at all.
Then it unfurls into this floral. So you're getting freesia, water lily, rose, and then it finishes with like salted musk and papyrus, so that grounding earthy notes.
Put it on your little pulse points, and it really does blend into your own signature scent, which we love.
Yeah, great.
Amazing. Very, very excited about this one. This is the Goop Glow Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. Goop, as you know, an amazing brand founded by the incredible Gwyneth Paltrow, who we also love. But this dual action exfoliator delivers a powerful facial in just a little bottle.
I got a little excited. I had to put it in my hand to show you guys because it has this whipped marshmallow texture. And I love this so much because it's dual. It's physical and chemical exfoliant. And this time of year with the switching of seasons, it's like an essential for me to have a great exfoliator. So you have this like instant radiant refreshed skin.
Okay, well, I want your instant radiant refreshed skin because Everybody wants skin like Teagan. It's glowing all the time. And again, this is the first time that we have Goop in the FabFitFun boxes, so really excited about that as well.
Yes, I will do anything that Gwyneth says.
No, that's exactly right. Yeah. Amazing. Next up, we have the Intentionally Blank Apres slippers. The Apres slipper features a lightweight, flexible Eva sole that's durable enough for outdoor wear, yet cozy enough for indoors. That's what really sets it apart from some of the other slippers that we have had inside the box. But it's great for lounging around the house, but you can also wear her to get the mail, to walk the dog, go to the bodega, all of your little errands.
Yeah, so chic, so durable, honestly, and available in sizes 6 through 10.
So we have your size
Yes,
ready.
we've got you covered.
Yes, the perfect little cozy slipper for winter.
All right, saving maybe the best for last. There's a lot of incredible choices,
There are.
but we have this incredible duo from Fenty Fragrance. So we have the Fenty Fragrance Parfum Body Cream and the Eau de Parfum. So the body cream is very decadent.
So luxurious.
Yes, very luxurious. Whipped oil moisturizer. It has this bold, sensual floral scent, rich butters, tropical oils, and extracts, and comes with this spatula applicator, which I think is great because it's just a more
Fancy.
luxurious
It's an upgrade.
ritual.
Yes, exactly.
Absolutely. And then the perfume. So I have been spraying this all weekend. I'm so obsessed. It's this really lovely balance of like creamy magnolia, rose, patchouli, and musk. But then it has this brightness from this juicy tangerine. I'm normally not like a musky girl, but this really gets it right.
It really does, and it's definitely a little bit spicy. I would say it's that perfect date night scent. It makes you feel sexy when you wear it.
Yeah, 100%. And the duo has a $181 value. So the perfect gift, or maybe be a little selfish and keep it for yourself.
Totally fine.
Yes.
But we love it. Again, we're gonna make you look like the best gift giver this holiday season.
100%.
Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Winter Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time. Bye.